Hello there everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about, which I mentioned a few weeks back, is the different pencil heads or sizes or scales that we can use when it comes to drawing. So first thing we want to do is, of course, get all the different types of pencils here. So you can see here I've got my toolkit, or my drawing or my pencil toolkit here, with all the different types of lead here. Okay, and we're gonna start with the B's. Okay, so the thing about this here is, with B's, the higher the B, so you got B, HB, 2B, all the way to 6B. The higher the B, the softer the lead, the darker the tone values comes out. So, in that sense, we're gonna set these here. B's are good, or B pencil leads are good when it comes to doing very meticulous or a lot of different types of shading in your drawing. Okay. And we're going to give you some examples here of how this works. Okay, so let's start with the B lead. So I have a B lead here, B pencil lead here. And just to give you an example here, if I'm shading this, you can see, without adding too much pressure, the different value of the shade there. So we're moving on to my HB pencil lead here. Let's flip this around. So I've got HB. And you can almost hear, like, the higher the B lead that I go to, the higher or the more you hear, like, the sound of the actual shading that I'm applying to on the paper. And then we have 2B. So this is just giving you all a little bit of insight, for my beginners, how these actually work. Now, you don't necessarily have to use all these different types of pencil leads when it comes to your drawing. The more experience you get in drawing, you'll soon become so comfortable with your pencil that you're actually using, or the type of pencil, whether it's a B or HB or 2B, that your hands or your fingers will get so relaxed that you can kind of create your own shading, or know how to create your own shading by using just that particular type of pencil lead. So just keep going, and you will soon discover that. So now I have my 4B, and this gets softer. However, the value of this becomes darker. Now, if you're doing a very intense type of drawing, on a large scale, or just from a more detailed type scale, then it may be a good idea, to utilize some of these different leads. That was my 4B. And now this is 6B. Quite interesting though. But again, you know, for us beginners, if you feel that this is something, excuse me, that you would like to implement into your drawings by utilizing these different LEDs, then by all means, yes, do that. So now you've got all your different B LEDs. Now for the H LED, which I don't have with me at this moment, but the H LEDs are a much harder LED, and you won't get such a smooth and soft type of shading in your drawing when you're using H LED. Excuse me, when you're using an H LED pencil. So for shading, if you're using your B LED pencils, you'll get much more of a smoother shade when it comes to utilizing or adding, or you know, your artist stump here, which we talked about a couple weeks ago or so. But yeah, check it out. Try it out. Get some practice going in, guys, and see how this works out with you. The more you utilize these different types of lead again, and the more comfortable you become, and at some point you'll, you know, again, be able to use just one particular B lead and make do for your entire drawing with this. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you are notified when I do post new videos. And until then, you guys take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.